Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mute all the participants when they join a meeting on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that tap on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings in the Personal section, and after that click on Meeting at the top. Then you should scroll down till you find this Mute all participants when they join a meeting section, so they will be muted automatically when they join, and the host controls when whether they can unmute themselves or not. So tap on this button and then the setting will be updated. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.